Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
What we do here is go back.
So guys, today I'm going to do a get to know me tag, as you all were asking a lot of questions about me. So I posted a story that is ask me a questions, and you guys asked a lot of questions, and a lot of questions were repeated. So I picked out some of the questions and did a get to know me tag for you guys. So here we go. Let's start. So like, I've seen my intro that I think I should talk about
myself. Like, you guys don't know me at all, so I thought I should do a get to know me tag.
So get ready with me and get to know me. I'll put moisturizer first. I'm using Biotic moisturizer. It's Bio Morning Nectar for all skin types.
I like this moisturizer a lot. Like, it's light and it really moisturizes my skin. Posted a story, like asked me your questions, and you guys gave me a good response. I got a lot of questions, so I'm gonna answer those questions to you guys while doing my makeup. So first I'm gonna put Vaseline on my lips.
So my full name is Asfi Azam. It's ASFIAZAM. Asfi Azam, because in school also and now in college also people sometimes call me Asif. So it's not Asif, it's Asfi.
Simple.
Asfi. Yeah. I'm using e.l.f. primer to cover my pores because I have a lot of pores here on my cheeks and on my nose also. I like this product because it really covers my pores and it's light. I'm from Delhi. I'm a Delhi girl. I'm properly from Delhi, but I'm staying in Bangalore. Like, only me. I'm staying in Bangalore for my further studies. I study there. Like, I do. My college is there, so I live alone. So now I'm using Pond's BB cream. Usually don't use foundation because I use foundation, but like on an occasion or I'm going for a party or something. Like, if I'm normally staying at home, so I use BB cream. It's light because my skin is really sensitive. And look, I have pimples also here, which will go. I'm doing a lot of work on it. I'm 20. I'm 20 years old, and I will be 21 next month. My birthday is coming soon, but lockdown it's there, so I won't be celebrating my 21st birthday. Like, I like doing parties and also.
No party, it's lockdown. Sad.
The favorite thing I like about myself is I'm really frank. I'm really bubbly. I'm really cheerful. I'm a really positive person. That's the best part about me.
I'm neutral. I am always neutral. I don't take things very seriously. It's just a very good thing about me, I feel like.
So I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I like this product. We must not allow other people limited perception to define us. Like, it really inspires me. I like those words. So we shouldn't care about what people are telling us, whatever they want to tell. It's just how they are looking. That's all I want to say. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium because I like bright under eye, and this really helps. So my favorite destination is the Santorini, Greece. I'm using Lakme Compact Sun Expert 40 SPF. I'm totally a cat person. It's not like I don't like dogs. I like dogs, but cats too. I like cats too. What do you guys like? Tell me in the comment section below. Do you like cats or do you like dogs? I know mostly people will tell me dogs, but who is in cat's team? Me. I love cats. I had a cat once. Her name was Pixie. She was really beautiful. Really beautiful. I have a lot of memories with her. I like her so much. I love her in fact. But she's gone. She don't love me. But I don't have a pet now because my mother doesn't like pets. So it doesn't matter. I had a pet. Good memories. Rock on. My favorite music, I don't have a specific, like my music taste keeps changing time to time. I'm a Bollywood person. Fine, I'm a Bollywood person. I like Bollywood songs so much. Like it just hit me. Whenever I listen to Bollywood music, I just go to the floor and keep dancing. That's all I do because I love Bollywood music. It just turns me on. I like dancing and all. And Punjabi music, mस्त. Punjabi music में बड़ा मजा आता है यार.
मस्त डांस करती हूँ मैं.
Let me complete my eyebrows, then I'll talk. Eyebrows are done. Good job. Oh, TikTok or YouTube. TikTok or YouTube. Oh. वो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहती हूँ. So I'm using Huda Beauty palette. I thought of doing a pink look. Should I? Okay. Simple, easy look. I'll be using this shade for the base, and some shimmer also. TikTok and YouTube. Okay. देखो यार, इस पे बहुत लड़ाई चल रही है. मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ. I don't know what is wrong with people nowadays. Like, अभी क्वारंटीन चल रहा है. People are like starving for like days. उस पर किसी को कमेंट नहीं करना है. बट यहाँ पर एक टिकटॉक और यूट्यूब ने क्या कर दिया इन्होंने. The end. Everyone has their own platforms. It's not like you can judge anyone. कहाँ पे कौन है. अभी मैंने बात की थी जज की. तो they should be knowing कि okay, some people like YouTube, some people like TikTok. Big deal. It's not a big deal. सबका अपना अपना perspective है. Why do you guys want to get indulge in those things? I won't answer this question because पता नहीं मेरे पे भी लोग अच्छा. I won't answer these questions. I like TikTok. I'm using this pink color. It's called Flamingo. Ooh, I like this shade.
I'll be doing it on my outer corners.
Blend. You guys, I don't have any tattoo. My mom doesn't like it. So I put this shade Bay on my inner corners. मैं सोच रही हूँ यहाँ पे shimmer डाल दूँ. What do you think? So I'm using this shade Angelic on my inner, like outer corners. जहाँ पे ये pink shade. I'm a night owl. दिन में मुझसे नहीं उठा जाता यार. ये साफ बात है, दिन में मैं नहीं उठ सकती बिल्कुल भी।
मैं सुबह ही सोती हूँ।
लाइक अभी तो क्वारंटीन चल रहा है, उसकी वजह से पूरा स्केड्यूल एफ्ड अप हो चुका है। सो मैं सुबह सोती हूँ। मैं पबजी खेलती रहती हूँ पूरे दिन। पहली बात तो पूरे दिन मैं पबजी खेलती हूँ। मेरे को और कुछ काम नहीं, टिकटॉक बनाना है, पबजी खेलना है और खाना है बहुत।
अरे मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, घर पे बैठी हूँ मैं एक तो, और मेरे को भूख लग रही है। लाइक इन एवरी 1 hour आई एम हंग्री। कहाँ से आ रही इतनी भूख यार, मुझे नहीं आ रहा समझ।
हाँ, तो मैंने शिमर लगा लिया यहाँ पर। on my lower line I'm gonna put the same shade, flamingo. What a question! Is it easier to love or hate?
Obviously it's love. Love everyone. Don't put hatred about someone. That's just the worst thing to do. Never hate anyone. Just love everyone. However they are, whoever they are, just love everyone. Forgive people. Try to forgive people. That's how you'll get peace here, and that's how you will love everyone.
I thought of making this look like really bright, and so I thought of putting a blue liner on my lower line. It will look good because pink blue are the best combination, you know. So I'm gonna put here. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. I've used mascara off camera only. I've used L'Oreal Fall Slash Superstar. So guys, I don't know how my camera stopped recording, and I have applied this blush also and lipstick also. So I'm gonna tell you guys what all I applied. I used Fit Me blush in the shade Rose on my cheeks and on my nose also, because to give a natural look. And I used Nykaa lipstick in the shade Kashi 19. The shade Kashi 19. And yeah, this is my look. Oh, I forgot highlighter. So I'm gonna use this pink highlighter. It's known as Ibiza. Ooh. Guys, I don't know how my camera stopped recording, and I was talking a lot. मैं बात ही करती जा रही थी और मुझे पता ही नहीं चला मेरा कैमरा कब रिकॉर्ड होना बंद कर दिया। मैंने इतना कुछ बोला था यार। अच्छा, doesn't matter. Ibiza.
Some here on my inner corners. And on my eyebrow bones. So the question I was blabbering when this video stopped recording, so I'm gonna record now. Okay, you guys. So this is the question I really wanted to tell you.
So the stress, the thing is, I'm telling you a lot of times here that I'm a really positive person, like really positive person, really neutral person. I keep those people around me which are really like good for me, who give good vibes to me, who keeps me distracted. If I'm having any kind of stress, no, I just talk it out. I don't keep it here. I just talk it out to someone, like my best friend. I keep telling her the things. I just take out everything, whatever it's here, and it's here. Just take it out anyhow. Keep yourself distracted. I keep myself busy. Do things which you really like. Like, I like putting makeup, obviously. So if I'm stressed, so I do my makeup. That's a stress relief for me. I feel like that's really a stress relief for me. And I meditate. I read books. I play PUBG all the time. I play PUBG. And I watch movies, I explore things, I get to know about the things which I don't know, because this is the
pandemic which is going on all over the world. Everything is shut, so we guys have nothing to do. We are sitting at home, we are thinking stupid things because we have nothing to do. Keep yourself busy. That's all I want to say. Keep yourself busy. Third thing is, love yourself.
So that's all I wanted to say. That's how I manage stress. So if you guys wanted to ask me anything about my life, what I am, what I do, everything, whatever you want to ask about me, feel free to ask. If you want to know my daily life, because I keep updating all the things on my Instagram story, so please follow me here. And that's all. That's it. Thank you guys. I love you all. Mwah. Bye.